Just getting out of my car a bit ago, I really had to push the door open because a huge gust came and pushed me right back into my car. But like I said, there is a lot of damage, including here on East Street in Garfield Park, a lot of down power lines. And we've also been seeing a lot of damage to Marion County homes. Just earlier today, we went to one on the far east side near 30th and Shadeland. A huge tree was uprooted in the front yard. Thankfully, it didn't completely go into the home, but it did cause a lot of damage to the roof, gutters, and siding. The family inside told me no one was hurt, but it did scare them a lot when they woke up.
My daughter come right out of the bedroom because she works right there in the bedroom underneath the tree. She said, "Mom, my room is shaking." Looked out the window, the trees on the house. I didn't know what to do. I'm just crazy.
The fire department came and checked everything out, and the family is also working with insurance to get everything fixed. And this was just one of so many scary situations around Marion County today with these high winds. And since we've been out here, we've been really trying to use this tool to get some of the wind speeds in here. The wind is starting to pick up a little bit more now. We're up to 7, 12. 11, and it's been a little tricky to use because the wind will slow down and all of a sudden one of those gusts will come in and just really pick things up. So Anna, Felicia, I will keep an eye on this and let you know what I get.
All right, thanks so much. Angela said officially she's getting gusts over 50 miles an hour.
Yeah, you just don't blow away, Lauren.
This is 16. You know, it's more than that. Yeah.